First kill! Gagawin na mga tropa. Daming minions eh.
Gather at the turtle.
Maman! Maman! Okay, parang endless battles. Ngayon ako mag-armor, ano? Ano lang naman yung kalaban ko eh.
Back up.
Bane lang naman. Bane burat lang naman kalaban ko pare.
Eternal peace comes at the price of shield.
Not ready. Enemy has slain the turtle. Not ready.
I always see a starry night sky in my nightmares.
Patay ba to? Kaya ko mapatayin to. Activity.
I always
Kaya eh! Kaya eh! Sabi ni Bina. Kaya eh!
every bullet.
Destroy the turret. Has been slain. Launch
No one
attack.
deserves my trust here.
Launch attack.
The moon rises and sets as the war that never really ends.
Launch attack. Request.
Kaya ko to. Kaya ko yan!
An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready. Your team destroyed the turret.
Hatred consumes
Grabe, napakalag.
like a black hole.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Eternal peace comes at the price of sheer fear.
Napakalag naman.
Understood.
I always see a starry night sky in my nightmares.
Nice one, Darwin. Very good.
Request backup.
Sige pre.
Not
Set.
ready. Ult is not ready. You have slain the enemy. Double kill.
Andyan o. Andyan sa bush. Pakicheck yung bush pre. Nasa gitnang bush pre. Ganyan. Saan dinadaanan yung bush pre? Ganyan.
The moon rises and sets as the war that
Galing yung tank namin ah. Mga palulo yung tank namin. Parang
Unstoppable. Request backup. Launch attack.
I always hold it.
Monster kill. Shut down.
patay ako sa ano? Carry? Carry balls! Sakto sana yung cooldown ng aking ulti eh. 1 segundo eh. Kung nag-cooldown sana siya agad.
Ult is not ready.
Ako hindi umabot eh. Pumasok pa tuloy ako sa base ng kalaban.
Killing spree. Shut down.
They are
Team
living
destroyed a
evils.
turret.
Chirits. Chirich.
My gun is the shelter for the ghosts.
Request backup. Ult is not ready.
Lag.
Eternal peace comes
120 pingers.
here. No one deserves my trust here.
Request backup.
Hindi matagal yung baby part.
Bullet has its blade.
Baby po ay ginawang bonus round.
Double kill.
Huwag mong pansinin ang gatot ka, pre. Design lang yun, pre. Gagi design para kay. Hindi ka napatay. Kunat naman.
Blade.
Kunat mo naman, pare. Ba't ganon?
Gather at the Lord.
Sabagay, wala akong endless. Wala akong ano pala. Wala akong...
Destroy the turret.
Wala akong malefic. Ay, pala ang kunat.
Gather up the Lord! Launch attack! Quest back! Attack the Lord!
Bakit? Init?
Attack the Lord! Ult is not ready.
Mas pa rin ang ulan.
I always see a starry night.
Uy! Pa, kunat ka pala ha.
Gather up the Lord!
No one deserves my
An ally has slain Lord! Initiate retreat!
They are living evil.
Ulala. Ulala. Kaya ko ba yan? Oo ah. Ano ba?
Everything like a black hole.
Our turret is under attack!
My gun is the shelter for the ghosts.
Request backup!
Siyempre.
Hatred consumes everything like a black hole.
Destroyed a turret! Your team destroyed a turret!
Lagi lock item na par. Lock item. One. Kunat ka na.
You destroyed a turret! Not ready.
They are living evils.
Ult is not ready. Killing spree!
My gun is the shelter for the ghosts.
Request
To.
Hatred consumes everything like a black.
Kasi may digi. Pag ako pinabalik ni digi, patay ako eh.
ult is ready.
My gun is the shelter for the ghosts. Eternal peace comes at the price of fear.
Taas talaga ng damage pag naka-ano ka, no? Pag naka-BOD ka talaga, ang taas talaga ng damage, pare.
Living evils.
Nice one. Naka-BOD ka talaga, pre. Solid talaga yung damage ng BOD.
Initiate retreat!
The moon rises
not
and
ready.
sets as the war never ends.
Initiate retreat!
Mataas kasing damage mo pag walang buhay yung kalaban.
Request backup! Ult is not ready. Request attack! Ult is not ready.
Grabe, patay si Digi.
Ult is not ready.
Wala nang ulti si Digi, mama. Tapusin ko na?
Monster kill!
In my nightmares.
Godlike! Your team destroyed a turret! Legendary!
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ayan! Ano yun? Sakit naman ang damage na yun, tropa. Ano yun? 1K? Ang layo-layo ng carry. Second skill lang ito, ma'am. Ang lakas. Taas naman ang damage yung kalokohan.
Coming! Wait for me!
Kalokohan. Hindi pa tinapos. Gagi, same story. Same story ba? Hindi ko talaga tinapos yun. Nakita niya, pinatay ko muna si Digi. Pwede ko nang tapusin yung Tori kanina, pero hindi ko tinapos.
Eternal peace comes.
Another story to tell. Once is enough na. Once is enough.
Ult is not ready. Has been slain. Killing spree.
Once is enough.
Back up.
I always see a starry night sky.
Papatalo ba tayo ng ganun-ganun lang, tropa? What do you think? Papatalo ba kami ng ganun-ganun lang?
Back up.
Siyempre hindi ah.
Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Destroyed.
Panis! Pinasok ni Darwin, guys.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Every bullet has its blade.
Pinasok ni Darwin ang kalaban. Pero hindi niya napatay. Kasi naka-with enchant.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Naka-with enchant ka. Mag-with enchant ka din kaya. Mag-with enchant ka din, Darwin. Para quits ba?
An enemy.
Ano pa napatay yun, bro?
Shut down. Wait for me.
Not pa. Endable man, endable.
Back up.
Endable.
Ult is ready.
Every bullet has its blade.
Prepare for turret down.
Endable bro.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Request backup. Ult is not ready.
Eternal peace comes as a fight. I always hold it.
Killing spree.
Desperado na ako manalo. Desperado. Nice game, pare. Well played. Desperado. Desperado na manalo si Bida man. Ay, desperado na manalo. Tinapos ka guys. Baka ano na naman mangyari na naman yung kwento kanina eh. Welcome Darwin Dre. May isa na namang Darwin guys. Ilang Darwin na tayo dito? Tatlo na. Tatlo na yung Darwin sa stream ni Bida. Christopher Serran. Okay, nice game. Isa pa. Anis, tinalo kayo ng dalawang Darwin, bro. Tinalo yung 5-man nila ng dalawang Darwin. Dagdagan pa natin isa, no? Gusto niya pa ng isang Darwin. Welcome, Idol Tropan JJ. Okay, isa pa. Tinalo yung team nila, guys. Isipin nyo, guys. Tinalo yung team nila, guys. 5-man, tinalo ng dalawang Darwin, guys. JJ! Darwin Dre. Darwin Dre. Tinalo ng dalawang Darwin yung team nila. Nice try. Better luck next time. Lagi mo si Happy doon. Nag-happy doon ka sa ano? Kulungan. Ano ba naman? Palautog na ito. Christian! Shoutout tropa, Jure Benzintino. Magandang hapon, tropa. Isa pa. Isang panalo pa guys, isang panalo pa. Kapag patunayan nyo mga Darwin. Patunayan nyo mga Darwin na hindi chamba yung panalo natin. Patunayan nyo. Shoutout kay Benjamin Florino. Sino pangalan ng misis mo, bro? Ilagay mo yung pangalan ng misis mo, idol ka naman. Tapos shoutout kay, lalagay mo yung pangalan, idol. Welcome, idol, tropa. Junray. Si Junray. Si Junjun. Di pa ako nasi-shoutout. Ay, Boss Mabs. Yan, tropa. Boss Mabs. Teka lang man Wala nang gustong kumalaban sa amin man. Pwede kayo sumabay sa amin, Sabayan niyo yung team namin. Dalawang Darwin yan, tropa. Masha tsaka export. Ano ba yung naban? Ban nyo lang yung mga ano. Usually na binaban natin, Roger. Kung gusto niya iban yung Lolita, iban nyo yung Lolita. Okay lang naman.
Please ban a hero.
Bakit? Kasi, bakit? Adapter sa ano?
Your team is banning.
Yung research ko ng tao. Naglalaro ko. Hindi na naglalaro. I will play it. Tatanong tayo sa mga tropa na. Guys, paano nyo kinoconnect yung ano? Yung computer nyo, yung ano? Pwede nyo bang i-connect yung computer nyo na walang Ethernet cable? Ano yung kailangan na device? Anong tawag doon? Teka lang, mag-ban. Ban pa rin ba to? Galupit na pala siya. Anong tawag doon sa device guys na kinakabit sa ano sa PC? PC hindi laptop. Kahit walang Ethernet cable, pwede mag-connect. Welcome na bang Marlon Abarientos. Marlon, what's up Marlon? Marlon Bidaman. Bidaman. Si Tito pa.
True love is like blood. Your team is picking.
Welcome.
USB Wi-Fi. Sige, check ko yan. USB Wi-Fi.
Hope will find a way, even when
The
all
enemy
is
is
forlorn.
picking.
Madali lang siya i-set up, pre. Idol Carl Babs. Madali lang ba? Mabilis naman. Hindi naman naapektuhan yung ano.
Gaze upon
Titibol
the
na lang
edge
yung
of
ulo.
the void.
Titibol.
I am a daughter of Northern Vale.
Your
I
team
swear
is
to
picking.
protect it till my last breath.
Marlon Abarientos. Welcome, my friend. Mobility ka ba ulit, Bidaman? Parang. Kasi nga, kalaban ko Carmelita eh.
Never
Mahirap pag ano, may
extinguishes.
Carmelita. Uunahin ako tapos nakakamain na ako dapat.
Light me up and watch the
The
world
enemy is
burn!
picking.
Si Carmelitas.
Chivalry is dead, and I will revive it.
Okay, let's go. Pang ilan na to? USB Wi-Fi. USB Wi-Fi. USB Wi-Fi. Al-Khabib, Cubs, Jeric Labico. Welcome, Jeric. Panalo yan, bida. Mobility tayo, guys, ha. Para na mabigyan natin agad tong Nolan tsaka yung Changi. Pag Changi kasi minsan, pag wala kang slow, di mo siya mahabol. Pero pag may mobility ka, may chance na mapatay mo siya agad. Andrew Sahonya, welcome. Leo Cos Jr., welcome. Kapalagan ko si Nolan
5
Boy.
seconds till the enemy
Nolan Baho.
reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Magaling yung tank ko, ha. Magaling yung tank. Si Chonggo. Siko Chonggo. Magaling na tank. Palag tayo men ha, palag tayo men.
Wanna take a look inside?
Blue buff, mga walang buhay yun pre, mga walang buhay yun.
I so no one else. Let's make
Initiate
it
retreat.
don't even try. Escape.
Ally has been slain.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Don't give up.
I will compose the greatest sonata on your corpse.
Ayos naman ito. Nakala mo sa akin pare.
Try. Escape.
Baka ginagawa mo sa classic yan, huwag ginagawa sa rank
Look
game.
inside.
Tulak mo pre.
Your death is music to my ears.
Launch attack.
Wala red 3. Alam ni Changi wala red 3. Wag muna pre, wag muna.
Killing spree. Ally has slain the turtle.
I only fight myself.
Worth it ba? Oo ah. Patay yung dalawa nila eh. Why not coconut?
Request backup.
Wanna take a
Ano na
look
yung turtle?
inside?
It's not ready.
Pataka siya nun. Alam kung bakit ganyan yung galawan ng Freya pero malalaman mo naman agad pag marunong yung mga kalaban, diba?
I will compose the greatest sonata with your corpse.
Request
Your
backup.
death.
Understood.
Clear of ambush.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Let's make this quick.
Initiate retreat. An ally has been slain. Has been slain.
Don't even try. Side. I only fight myself. No one else.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Beware
Don't
of
even
ambush.
try escaping my sight.
Push first.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Alam ko nakita nyo ako boy. I know.
Let's make this quick. Behold. Send out bullets.
An enemy has been slain. Attack the turtle.
Ba hindi pa mapatay tong
Understood.
golem na.
Oh,
Ang layo kasi ano? Ang layo kasi ng golem eh. Hindi na siya abot par. Hindi mo siya abot ng normal attack.
what? Take a look inside.
An ally has slain the turtle.
You're dead. I only fight for myself.
Ult is not ready.
No one else.
Ult is not ready.
Let's make this.
Mamaya kayo. Wow. Big word. Patay kay Darwin.
Enemy has been slain. Monster kill. Enemy has been slain. Shut down.
Di, umaabot yung stun ko na nakapsana yun, men, no? Shoo! Tapos nakabili ako ng Endless Pattern, naka-lifesteal, Persil. Buhay ako doon, pre! Kasi hindi umabot. Hindi sumang-ayon. Hindi sumang-ayon. Atay, alalalalalalala. Wow, baka Darwin Brin Homo yan. Grabe yung dalawang Darwin namin, guys. Maangas. Maangas ang dalawang Darwin
Wanted
namin.
to look inside.
Siguro nagkakaroon talaga ng fusion, mga par. Pag magkasama silang dalawa, nagkakaroon ng fusion technique.
Back up.
Understood.
Your
Bounce them.
death music to my ears.
Wala pang flicker ko. Naka-flicker. Ang best naman ang flicker mo, pre.
So,
Skill mo.
no one
Quest
else.
back up.
Gusto mo cooldown ng skill mo.
I will compose the greatest sonata to your corpse.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Gather up the turtle. Gather up the turtle. Not ready.
Don't even try.
Not ready.
Aba.
Music to my ears.
Nice pre. Nice positioning by Tigreal. Very good.
Greatest.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Abang lang. Tamang bantay ba? Ito yung tipong ikot ka ng ikot. Ikot ka ng ikot. Tsaka
Quest
hindi
back up.
natin alam kung saan ka pupunta.
You destroyed a turret.
Ooh, nice one. Diba? Ano masabi nyo sa Tigreal ko, guys?
Your team destroyed a turret. Quest
Very
back
good.
up.
Uy! Sabi mo, ano, babawi ka. Lagi babawi na siya. Joke lang.
Don't even try escaping my son.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Let's make
Ult
this
is
quick.
not ready.
Team destroyed a turret.
Wala. Aroy. Ano?
An enemy has been
Great.
slain. Killing spree.
Uy! Uy! Ala! Hindi siya nakaano. Gagi! My turn! Gagi, hindi siya naka my turn. Pre. My turn! Gagi, magma-my turn siya. Siya na mag... Magma-my turn. Oh! La! Gagi, magma-my turn pa yan si ano. Si Freya. My turn. Sabi ng mga bugbog sa early game, my turn. Pag hindi na nakabawi, hindi na magsasalita ha. Erdon, parang Erdon. Welcome. Galawang bugbog sa early game, no? Galawang bugbog sa early game.
No one else.
Gather up the Lord.
Don't even try escaping my son.
Nice one, moments.
So, no one else.
Killing spree. Double kill.
Aroy. Changi. Hello. Patay ba yun?
Greatest sonata with your corpse.
Bitin.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Want to take a look inside?
Still.
Killing spree. Shut down. Slain.
Ay, gagi, isang ulti ka lang ulit. Isang ulti. Punit. Tatapa kasi trophy. Wala na, hindi na nakabawi si Freya. CJ Samjun. Okay, nice game. Guys, well played. Napaka-solid ng Team Par. Pinatunayan sa mga mukha nyo. Pinatunayan ng dalawang Darwin na hindi po tsamba yung panalo nila, guys. Pinatunayan lamang po nila Darwin ng dalawa. Pinatunayan ng double Darwin, guys. Na hindi po tsamba ang kanilang panalo. Pinakitaan na kayo, guys. Maniwala na ako sa kanila, guys. Kiko kay Adrian. Okay, nice game. Guys, last game muna ako. Ayoko na. Kakapin muna ako. Nice game to everyone. Sa mga nakasali, thank you sa time. Sa mga hindi nakasali today, meron pa tayo stream tomorrow, okay? Kita-kits tayo tomorrow, guys. Kaya kung gusto nyo sumali sa stream natin, follow nyo yung page natin. Exclamation point notified lang, okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Kita-kits tayo. Ay, kung wala ka pa kayong ginagawa, gusto nyo pang manood ng ML, sige, mag-ano tayo, mag-raid tayo. Raid tayo sa streamer ng MLBB. Hanap tayo ng streamer ng MLBB, guys. Pwede nating ilagay kay yung hindi naglalaro ng sugal, ML. Yung naglalaro ng ML, sige, dali natin dito kay kay Aloy. Si Aloy Pototoy. Kay Aloy na lang. Diyan na lang kayo tumambak kay Aloy. Si Aloy Palautog. Sabi nyo Aloy Palautog. Aloy Palautog. Let's go.